What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to do this effect when you click into some image on your site. This effect is called Lightbox, and you can enable this to every single image on your site into a simple, fast, effective, and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. To enable this effect, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress website dashboard, all you have to do is enter, if you're on the browser address bar, your domain name plus wp-admin, enter with your username and password, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins field, you're gonna click and type Simple Lightbox. This is one of my favorite plugins because it's simple, it's easy, and it's totally free. Click on Install Now. Into the Activate button. That's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, but review the left sidebar of menus once again and hover a mouse over Appearance. Now we're gonna be able to find a new submenu next to background called Lightbox. Click on it, and right here we're gonna be able to enable the activation, okay? Enable for widgets, enable for menus. You have the option for grouping. You have the UI, for example, light theme or dark theme. I prefer the dark theme. And you can change the opacity, the loop. You can change the labels. For example, close, loading, next, previews, anything that you want to customize right here on your language. Hit the Save Changes button to save all your changes you made. Now go to our page or posts. I'm gonna create a new one just to use it as an example. I'm gonna apply a single image on it, just like this. Let me use an image from my media library. Here is the image. Now all I have to do to enable the Lightbox effect is click on the image, then click into this link icon into the block and hit this button, link to image file. You can publish or update your post or page or custom post type or product maybe. Now if you click on the image, you're gonna see the Lightbox. In the case that you want, you can apply a title or an alt title for this image to the content, to make the content appears, okay? For example, click on the image, click right here on replace, open media library, and right here you can enter a title for this image, a caption or a description. Save change. Now let's preview the change. And as you can see the image caption on it, okay? Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the